Well, I'm here today with this machine that I've been tasked with fixing. So I'm going to fix this up and get it to run. The customer said it's turning on, I'm getting the post, but the keyboard isn't recognising for some reason, and it looks like it was halfway through doing it. So I'm going to deconstruct the machine and rewire it all up, everything in the proper place, get it all running nicely, and then we'll inspect these error codes, because he said there were a number of error codes that were occurring. Boot the machine up. So first things first, I'm going to get everything tidy in there so I've got space to work, because the cables were all in the way. So off we go with that then.
So what's happening here is that I'm connecting the power supply and connecting the various peripherals to the power supply. The next step is to install the graphics card. Now the graphics card needs to be installed in a good way, so you need to fix it to the case. Don't plug the card in and then turn the machine on without having it screwed down, because you can cause short circuits and damage to the socket. So the best course of action is to screw it literally to the case.